All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Did you miss me? Hopefully you did, man. Apologies for taking a break, man. It's been so long, and I missed a weekly fragrance rotation video, but I have good reasoning. It's because I thought I was dead. I was like this close to death, okay? But I willed myself back because I couldn't leave you guys alone. Plus I have a family. All jokes aside, man, I was sick, I was under the weather, and I could not perform with the greatest quality. It was the nasty flu bug, and it almost took all of us out, but I brought us all back. I did that. All right, you know, the missus looks over like that. She did it, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I think we took turns. You know, we took turns. We definitely took turns. But nonetheless, man, I am back. I am here. Yes, I am here. I'm with you. Are you with me? You're like, shut up, Big BB. What are you talking about today? Today, I have a unboxing for you guys. Listen, man, I've been waiting for this thing to come in forever and a day. And I almost purchased it myself because I liked it. But when I opened it up and I said, okay, it's finally here. It's time to share it with the gang. Gang. This one is the 2018 release from Bvlgari, and this one is Bvlgari Wood Essence. Now, they sent it to me in this little pretty little box. And there's a card on the inside of it. Listen, man, I wanted to open this thing so bad, okay? But I was sick and I refused to do it without you guys. So now we're here. We hope you enjoyed the newest creation, Wood Essence, the Bvlgari team. Listen, man, Bvlgari makes some solid fragrance, man. Bvlgari Man Extreme, Bvlgari Man in Black. They just make solid fragrances, man. I like them. And this one here, I was excited when I saw this one. I think I first saw it with Steven or my guy Carlos over BFL. One of those two is where I initially saw this. And then I was out and about at Dillard's and I almost picked this thing up. But while I was looking at it, I received the email from Bvlgari saying they were gonna send it to me. So I said, why spend the money when I'm gonna get it? So here's your box, man. Oh yeah. All right, man, so we have Bvlgari Man Wood Essence. So this is for men, it's woody, and has some essence of something. All right, man, let me try it out. It's been a while since I gotta actually smell it. Look at that distribution, it's magical. So when I first sprayed this one, man, on the first spray, I like it. I think this one is a nice take, a nice twist from that Bvlgari Man line that we have, right? So you have the Extreme, which is more of that like a summer, spring type of fragrance. You also have the Man in Black, which is your nighttime. And this one is when you want to wear this one to the boardroom. So the backstory on this one is they was looking for a solid mixture of city and nature. They wanted something that was going to be classy and sophisticated, yet woody. So I was looking at the note breakdown on this one a while ago when I was waiting for this one to come in, and if I'm not mistaken, this one has wood in the opening, wood in the middle, and wood in the base. So this is definitely the essence of wood. Now, despite all of the wood notes going on in this fragrance, there is a lot of freshness and a lot of zestiness in this one as well. You have some coriander, you have some bergamot, and you also have some lemon and mandarin in this one as well. So don't think when you think of this fragrance, you hear me talk about the wood essence. This one is not like overpoweringly, it's not like a super woody fragrance. You get those undertones of wood, but it's bright, it's effervescent, and I like it. All in all, my first impressions on this one is that if you are thinking about purchasing this one or trying to decide if you should go out and smell it, if you're looking for something to compete with your Profumos or just with your Acqua di Gio, then this is one that you can grab, right? This one is going to be woody. It's a light woody undertone, but it's also very fresh and crisp and something that you can wear to the workplace and not really offend anyone, in my personal opinion. I think this is one that definitely works in the office. So if you're looking to try something new and highlight the people over Bvlgari, you have Bvlgari Man Wood Essence. I think this one came out maybe June, July, August-ish or something like that, somewhere around that time frame, and I think this one's going to be a solid contender. Just get your nose on it because you won't see a lot of advertising around this one. Obviously, you don't see that much around fragrances, but I don't think that even with the holiday season that you'll see a lot of advertising with this one out there. So make sure you go and get your nose on it because, in my opinion, it's a hidden gem. I like this one. As you guys know, I'm a fan of Bvlgari fragrances already. So this one's solid. And yes, it does have that easy, convenient twist top. That way, you just turn it. And you don't gotta worry about it spraying, baby. That's all I got for you guys today, man. I'm your boy, Big B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again. And do me a favor, be a man. Hit the goddamn